absolutely killing it right now and why I'm so bullish on where they're headed. I mean, if you haven't been paying attention to what AMD's been up to lately, you're missing out on some serious moves that could shape the entire data center market and beyond. So AMD's been making some strategic acquisitions that are setting them up for some massive gains down the road. The big one on the radar, their recent acquisition of ZT Systems for a cool $4.9 billion. Now, some might look at that price tag and think, how's that going to pay off? But the thing is, this isn't just about an immediate bump in the revenue. It's about playing the long game, setting up AMD to dominate the data center space in ways that go beyond just selling chips. ZT Systems is known for their server rack manufacturing, which might not sound super exciting on the surface, but it's a big one for AMD. See, AMD's always been focused on being capital light. They don't want to own the factories. They want to own the design and the tech. And with ZT Systems, they're not only staying true to that with a fabulous model, but are now in a position to offer a more optimized, complete stack to their customers. It's like they're saying, hey, we've got the CPUs, the GPUs, and now we can help you design the whole system around them. This isn't just about making great chips anymore. It's about delivering a full package solution that makes AMD the go-to for anyone serious about their data center infrastructure. Now add to that their acquisition of Silo AI for $665 million. And you've got a one-two punch that could seriously accelerate AMD's growth across multiple sectors. Silo AI isn't just another tech company. They've got 300 top-notch scientists and engineers focused on machine learning and AI. This is huge for AMD, especially as they're pushing their MI300X GPUs, which are geared towards AI training and inferencing. By bringing in Silo AI, AMD is saying, we're not just giving you the hardware, we're giving you the brains behind it too. This move could really cement AMD's place as a leader in AI infrastructure. What's even more exciting is how these moves tie into AMD's overall strategy. They're ramping up production on their MI325s and their MI350 GPUs, which are set to roll out in the second half of 2025. And the MI400 series is already on the roadmap for 2026. These GPUs are no joke. AMD's talking about a 35x performance improvement with the MI350 compared to their previous architecture. That's the kind of leap that could push them ahead of competitors like NVIDIA, especially as more and more enterprise hyperscalers start investing in it, in AI and machine learning as well. Now let's talk about numbers, because I know some of you are probably wondering if this is just all hype or if there's something really behind it. AMD stock is trading at a pretty hefty discount right now, 10.9 times trailing price to sales compared to NVIDIA's 40 times. That's a huge gap, and it's exactly why I see so much room for growth. AMD isn't just some old undervalued stock waiting to catch up. It's a powerhouse that's only getting stronger, and I'm telling you, that discount won't last forever, trust me. When you look at their financials, it's clear that the AMD is in a strong position. They reported 9% top line growth at the end of the first half of 2024 with a solid operating margin of 22%. But what really stands out is their data center revenue growth. It's up a staggering 115% year over year. That's massive, and it's been driven by their Instinct and EPYC lines, which are the heart of their push into the data center market. And this growth isn't just about the here and now. AMD is looking ahead, and they're setting themselves up for sustained success. The MI325 and the MI350 GPUs coming in 2025 are just the beginning. The MI400 series set to drop in 2026 will take things even further. And the groundwork they're laying through these acquisitions, AMD is not just reacting to market trends, they're driving them. So the bottom line is, if you're not already on the AMD train, now's the time to get on board. They've got the tech, they've got the strategy, and they've got the vision to take on anyone in the space. And with the stock trading at a discount, there's a lot of potential upside here. I'm talking about a price target of 230 per share. That's what I think. That's not just wishful thinking. That's based on the fundamentals and the moves AMD is making right now. That's it. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.